Let's be honest. Most people think a VPN is something only hackers, tech, nerds, or people with something to hide use. But that couldn't be further from the truth. In today's world, where almost everything you do passes through the internet, not using a VPN is like leaving your front door wide open and not even knowing it. This video is not here to scare you, it is here to wake you up. Every single time you connect to the internet, you leave a trail. Your internet provider sees what websites you visit. Advertisers track your behavior across dozens of platforms. Public Wi-Fi networks in airports, hotels, coffee shops are playgrounds for people who want to intercept your data. And governments in many countries log and monitor internet activity as a standard practice. Most people assume that because they're not doing anything wrong, they have nothing to worry about. But privacy isn't about hiding. Privacy is about control. Control over your own information. Control over who sees what and when. A VPN, a virtual private network, creates an encrypted tunnel between your device and the internet. Think of it like this. Without the VPN, you're sending postcards. Everyone who handles that postcard can read it. With the VPN, you're sending sealed letters. The content is protected. When you use a VPN, your real IP address, which is basically your digital home address, gets replaced by the VPN service address. Your internet provider no longer sees what you're doing. Websites don't know your real location. And anyone triggering to snoop on your connection gets nothing but encrypted noise. We live in a time where data is more valuable than oil. Companies build profiles on you. They know your habits, your interests, your routines. That information gets bought and sold, often without you ever knowing. A VPN won't solve everything, but it removes one of the biggest and most exploited vulnerabilities in your daily digital life. And it's not just about corporations. Cybercrime is at an all-time high. Identity theft, phishing attacks, man-in-the-middle attacks on public networks. These are real threats that affect real people every day. A VPN adds a layer of protection that most attackers simply won't bother breaking through. Here's where the advice gets serious. If you travel, even occasionally, and you connect to public Wi-Fi without VPN, you are taking a risk every single time. If you use online banking, shop online, or log into any account on a network you don't fully control, you are exposed. And before you think, I have nothing worth stealing, that's exactly what people say before it happens to them. Your email login, your banking credentials, your personal photos, all of it has value to the wrong person. Start using a VPN. It doesn't have to be complicated. There are solid, trustworthy options available for just a few euros or dollars a month. Look for a VPN with a strict no logs policy, meaning that they don't store records of your activity. Make sure it uses strong encryption and avoid free VPNs. They often make money by selling the very data you're trying to protect. Think of a VPN as an investment in your digital security. Just like you lock your car, just like you put a password on your phone. This is one more simple step that makes you a much harder target. You don't have to be paranoid to care about your privacy. You just have to be smart. The internet is an incredible tool, but it comes with real risks that most people ignore until it's too late. A VPN won't make you invisible, but will make you significantly safer. And in today's digital world, that matters more than most people realize. In the next video, we're going to go deeper, what the VPN actually hides, and what it doesn't, because there are things most people get completely wrong about this. Stay informed, stay protected, subscribe.